Hello students, in the previous video, we reviewed the concept of data, its collection and organization briefly. We learned some definitions, also learned central, tendency and its types. Today, we are going to solve the sums based on range and mean. So, let's solve it. Exercise 3.1. Question number 2. Organize the following marks in a tabular form. Students, in this question, we have to organize the given marks in a table, for which we have to draw 3 columns. First column for marks, second column for tally marks, and third column for frequency. Students, we have to arrange the given mark in ascending order, and we have to write each marks only one time. So, now let us draw table and solve the given questions. Let us draw table and write marks in the first column, tally marks in the second column, and frequency in the third column. Now, let us arrange the given marks in ascending order. Students, it is given 4. So, in front of 4, in second column, we have to draw a tally mark. Then, is given 6. So, in front of 6, in second column, we have to draw a tally mark. Then, is given 7. So, in front of 7, we have to draw a tally mark. Then, is given 5. So, in front of 5, in second column, we have to draw a tally mark. Then is given 3. So, in front of 3, in second column, we have to draw a tally mark. Then is given again 5. So, in front of 5, again, we have to draw a tally mark. Students, likewise, we have to complete the second column by drawing a tally mark in front of marks given. Students, after completing the second column, we have to complete the third column, that is frequency. We know that frequency means number of times a particular observation occurs. Thus, one occurs one time. So, we have to write 1 in frequency column. 2 occurs 2 times. So, we have to write 2 in the last column. 3 occurs 1 time. So, we have to write 1 in the third column. Likewise, we have to complete the third column and find out the number of observations. Students, find out the total number of observations. The total number of observations is 20. So, we have to write down 20. Students, now after completing the table, you have to read the questions carefully and you have to answer the given questions. Now, let us solve the questions. Question number 1. Which number is the highest? The answer of this question is 9 is the highest number. Question number 2. Which number is the lowest? The answer of this question is 1 is the lowest number. Question number 3. What is range of the data? Students, recall the formula of range. Range equals to highest observation minus lowest observation. Highest observation is 9 and lowest observation is 1. Thus, subtracting 1 from 9, we get 8. Thus, range equals to 8. Now, question number 4. Find arithmetic mean. Students, recall mean. Mean equals to sum of all the observations upon total number of observations. Thus, finding the sum of all the observations and dividing it by number of observations, we get 100 upon 20. Now, dividing 100 by 20, we get 5. Thus, mean is equals to 5. Now, question number 3. Find the mean of the first 5 whole numbers. The first 5 whole numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Thus, mean of the first 5 whole numbers equals to sum of all whole numbers upon total whole numbers. Now, adding 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 and dividing it by 5, we get 10 upon 5. Now, dividing 10 by 5, we get 2. Thus, mean of first 5 whole numbers is 2. Question number 5. Following table shows the points of each player scored in 4 games. Students, observe this table and answer the given questions. Students, you will get the answers from the given table. So, you have to observe the table carefully. You have to read the question, understand it and solve the given question. So, now, let's solve the questions. Question number 1. Find the mean to determine its average number of points scored per game. Students, in this question, we have to find out the mean in order to know the average performance of player A in each game. Students, we have to divide total points scored by A in 4 games by total number of games in order to find out the mean of A. So, let's find out mean to determine A's average number of points. Mean equals to total points scored by A in 4 games upon total number of games equals to 14 plus 16 plus 10 plus 10 upon 4 equals to 50 upon 4. Now, dividing 50 by 4, we get 12.5 points. Thus, mean of A equals to 12.5. Now, solve question 2. To find the mean number of points per game for C, would you divide the total points by 3 or by 4? Why? The answer of this question is, in order to find the mean number of points per game, for C, we will divide the total points by 3 because player C played 3 games and not 4 games. Now, sub question 3. We played in all the 4 games. How would you find the mean? The answer of this question is, we played in all the 4 games. So, we will divide the total points by 4 to find out the mean. Now, let us find out the mean. Mean equals to total points scored by B in 4 games upon total number of games equals to 0 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4 upon 4 equals to 18 upon 4. Now dividing 18 by 4, we get 4.5 points. Thus, mean of B equals to 4.5. Now, sub question 4. Who is the best performer? Solution 4. Students, in order to find the best performer, we have to compare the mean of each player. So, let's find out the mean of player C. Mean of C equals to total points scored by C in each game upon total number of games equals to 8 plus 11 plus 13 upon 3 equals to 32 upon 3 equals to 10.67 points. By observing the average points scored by A, which is 12.5, which is more than average points scored by B and C. Thus, we can say that A is the best performer amongst 3. Students, solve sum number 1, 4, 6, 7 and 9 by yourself. Thank you and have a nice day.